Introducing the Starlyf Soap Dispensing Scrubber from JML. The amazing 2-in-1 dish brush and washing up container. Simply fill with your favorite washing up liquid and press the top to release the soap. The soft 360-degree scouring brush head powers through tough burnt-on messes, but is safe to use on non-stick cookware. The soap dispensing scrubber's ergonomic grip contours to fit perfectly in your hand and keeps it away from the suds whilst you're washing up. And it's great to clean up your kitchen sinks, hobs and countertops too. With just the push of a button, it releases the right amount of soap you need to power through tough grease and messes. And the clear body lets you see how much soap is left, so it's easy to know when you have to refill. Get the scrubbing brush that does it all. It's the Starlyf Soap Dispensing Scrubber from JML.
The Zulai Kitchen Salad Spinner. Achieve perfect crisp lettuce in seconds. With a generous 5-liter capacity, large enough to prepare 4 to 6 servings of delicious salads. The crank-style handle allows a full-speed spin with just a few turns. Features a convenient drainage system, allowing you to effortlessly pour out excess water. Backed by our Zulai hassle-free guarantee.
The Easy Pull manual food processor from Xylus is a quick and easy way to chop, mix, and blend food. The processor has a 3-cup capacity bowl to prep larger quantities and features a non-slip silicone base for safety and a better grip. To use, simply fit the booster arm onto the blade and insert into the base. Then, place your ingredients into the bowl. Place the lid on top and pull the ring to the side. This activates the chopping. Once you have finished your food preparation, the blades and the base can go directly into the dishwasher. Wipe the lid clean under hot tap. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or dips, the Easy Pull food processor is quick, easy to use, and leaves little mess.